That's kind of cool. Little hot springs on the side of the road. All up on the ground. Kind of neat. Something to look at. Hey, we actually finally found something. Well, we're heading up towards Silverton. Gonna find a camp spot. Alright guys, I don't know what kind of aqueduct this is. I don't know if it brings snow melt down or what. But it's a man-made aqueduct and yeah, nothing in it. No idea where that's going. Yeah, looking for a camp spot. Definitely beautiful. But what is that? Alright guys, found me a campsite here. I'm at about 9,000 feet elevation, so it's going to be chilly tonight. I'm not parked really the best for this spot, but it's getting my solar panels right in direct sun. I'm probably almost topped off, and I'm level. On the other side of that down log is a fire pit. And look what we got down here. Beautiful little stream. I want cold water, I've got it. Got 5.5 gallons, but nice to have some fresh stuff. Yeah, so I think this will definitely do, definitely bear territory. And I think there's some hiking just up the road. Oh, somebody's pulling into that spot over there. I passed that one up. It's just a spot, that's all it was, right on the road. Yeah. All right, yeah, this definitely looks like a nice spot. Piece of pumpkin in there, I don't know where that came from. Definitely bear territory. All right, let's get set up. See if we can't find some firewood. Probably been picked pretty dry, but see if we can't find some. There's home. Just a beautiful day. Sun's getting ready to go behind the mountains. Not much firewood around. I found a little bit. Ready to set behind that mountain. Beautiful stream right down there. In the woods. Tomorrow, $1 Million Highway. Maybe some hiking. Beautiful place. Definitely bear territory. Hey guys, I forgot to eat today. I really don't like eating. I have to kind of force myself. So I'm sitting over there relaxing and realized I haven't eaten anything all day. So, a couple wraps. I bought some chicken and apple sausage, udon noodles, more bok choy, and some vegetables. That's what I was going to make tonight. But it's getting late, don't want to cook, and hey, a couple little turkey wraps will do it with me. So, alright guys, I'm going to eat, and then I'm going to head to bed. Still early, but I want to do out, excuse me, I want to go out and do some things tomorrow. $1 Million Highway, maybe some hiking, whatever, maybe get to Utah. Alright guys, I'm going to eat, hit the rack, and we'll talk to you next time. Or soon. Whatever it is. Good morning, everybody. I'm sleeping like a baby in this car. I went to bed like 7:30, 8 o'clock. Woke up at midnight. Went back to sleep, woke up at 7. And then I've been napping till 10. 14 hours, like a baby. It's so comfortable, so quiet, so beautiful outside. I feel so refreshed. All right, guys. So today, I think we're going to go drive the $1 Million Highway. That's basically from Silverton to Ouray. Road with no guardrails, big drops, great views. And I think when it was built in like 1890, it cost approximately like $1 million. That's one thing I've heard. I don't know. Maybe if I have some internet, I'll look it up and find out what it really is. All right, guys, I'm gonna get up. We're gonna pack up. This is a really nice spot. No cell service, which I really don't care about, and no firewood. No firewood kind of sucks. I found a little bit last night, but I had to hunt for it. Sorry, guys, I'm gonna get up, pack up. I gotta remember to eat today, so I'm gonna make 2 wraps real quick, and then we're gonna get on the road. All right, let me get my happy bum out of bed. Yep, that's snow on the north side. God, it's beautiful, isn't it? All right, guys, we are in Silverton, Colorado, and this is the start of the $1 Million Highway. I did research. It cost $1 million a mile to build. So yeah, this thing is just stuck down in this little valley. It is beautiful. All right, there's a peak out there. Let's go take that highway. All right, guys, excuse me. This is the highway. There is no guardrail. If you go that way, you are going straight that way. That old mining stuff down in the valley. Guardrail. I didn't think they had any of these. Somebody's got a heck of a hideaway up here. That was a rig. Guys, we're over 11,000 feet now. Hope none of you are getting altitude sickness. Erie County, Red Mountain Pass. Let's see if this gets a little prettier. fucking pullout across the damn. Oh man, I tell you, people are, you know. He's gonna park on the side of the road on a twisty highway. When across the road, there's a pullout. Ooh, we've got a little switchback here. Oh. Right off the cliff. Mining operation over there with all its tailings. Still actively mining up here. Looks that way. Basically all you guys are seeing is a Ford. I'm gonna pull out up there, but I don't really see any reason. Aspens are in gorgeous color. That was a rig. You guys couldn't see it, but that was a rig. Now that's about 10 minutes of this road. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the video off. It's just not as exciting as I thought it was gonna be. I mean, it's beautiful, but I don't know how much you guys are really seeing. Go a little further around this corner, see what happens. Beautiful Aspen Valley. Still at 10,000 feet. All right, we'll see if there anything else comes up ahead. Sorry about that, but that's when you're the only camera guy and the driver. You're gonna get some stuff in the shot. hope this little lookout's open. There ain't nobody on it, but that seems really weird. That's gonna stink if this is closed. I want to get out here and walk on this. Guys, let's see what we can see out here. A little walk out here. Oh, that's cool. That Orange Creek earlier, we went through Ironton, obviously a big iron mining area, and that's why that creek is all stained orange. Alright guys, see that waterfall? Let's get out of here. Alright guys, your way is known as the Switzerland of America. Not a bad view if you live here, eh? Yeah, that's your way. Let's go see what we can find down there. Well, that's the view from my campsite tonight. Nice little river. Fire pit, I already found some wood. There was a tree down up there, so I sawed some of it off. Yeah. Nice little breeze through here. It's gonna be cold tonight. I'm at like 8,400 feet. Last night it was down in the 30s. So probably gonna be close to freezing tonight. So alright. That's what I got tonight. Alright guys, so a little bit after 3, I want to get cooking so I don't forget to eat again tonight. So tonight we're doing chicken and apple sausages, udon noodles, bok choy, green onion, and of course that chili crunch stuff I've been doing. They're pretty good. But we don't want to forget to eat tonight. So I'm going to go ahead and get this started, and then we'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Alright guys, well, dinner's done. I forgot to take a snapshot of it, but it was green apple chicken sausage, udon noodles, chili crunch, green onions, and oh, we got a helicopter flying over, and bok choy. So that's in the fridge, ready to go for dinner whenever I'm hungry, so I don't forget to eat tonight. I have a hard time. I forget to eat. I really don't like to eat. It's fuel. That's all it is, right? So, when dishes are done, letting them dry. It's getting a little chilly, and we're going to go ahead and get the fire ready and get ready to relax for the night. So, alright, next thing you see, fire. Alright guys, I'm heading to bed. Got the fire going well. I'm going to sit here for a few more minutes. Dinner's ready. but I'm gonna hang out. Alright guys, good night.